So this is SDV Hero Sergeant Fairday Buster Gundam. As for your information, SD Gundam World Heroes is a line of super deformed Gunpla from a multimedia SD Gundam project released in April 2021, which has the same name, SD Gundam World Heroes. Without talking too much, let's build this Gunpla and let's see if this new SD lineup award to be listed in your wishlist. You know, what is the first thing I want to know when I bought SD Gunpla? Their stickers. From the sticker, we should know how much missing color this Gunpla has. From this instruction in the manual, I can tell I don't need a nipper to separate the part from the runner. But nobody can tell me what I do with my Gunpla. So I won't do this normal way. We need some extraordinary method to separate the part. This is how we do it. Something like this.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
And this is the head. No problem has found during assembly. And you can see this magnificent design. Let's assemble this body part.
Another one. Another one.
And again, no problem during assembly. I don't know if it's just me, but I really amazed with the detail. I found something interesting here. This body has articulation, something like this, so you can bend the body up, but unfortunately not for bend down. Wait, don't go around, Kehet. I forgot to tell you that this SD don't have any PC connector. So this ball joint here is a hard plastic. This is good for, what do you say, to make this Gunpla has stronger connection. But be careful if you move the joint too often, it can get loose. For the articulation, there is not much, and unfortunately, no articulation on the elbow. A good point from this legs, beside its amazing detail, it has knee articulation. But the downside, it has hollow part on the thigh. I have used too much energy for flicking my finger to separate previous part. So for this waist part, let me do it normal and boring way. Nothing special on the waist part, except, again, those amazing details. And for the weapon, it only consists of two parts. Just combine these two together and you will get this handgun with amazing detail. From its size, I can tell you can use it on high grade scale. I just finished built all the parts. Now it's time to assemble them together. For missing color, well, that's super different foil. You will get this sticker this much to compensate this Gunpla missing color. If you want to compare or imagine how it will look with a sticker, just see it on the manual. I will not use this sticker right now because you know this sticker can be used as a masking tape if you want to paint the details. I will show you how on other video. Just make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any update from me. For the gimmick, I don't see anything special. This part of the skirt, you can pull these two and make it as a weapon. You also can put these two together like this. Do you know what kind of weapon is this? Tell me in the comment below. And this is how to put this weapon on the hand. Well, for knob marks, if you look very closely, you can see some knob mark, but thanks to the small size of gate from the runner, even without using a nipper, the knob marks are hard to notice. And this is the best point that I will give to this Gunpla, the details. Just by looking at them, my eyes just got an orgasm. If you ask me, is it worth it? Yes, why not? Bad articulation and too many missing color. That's SD for ya. But those details, you can just deny it. Details are not something you can ignore. So what do you think? Give me your thought about this Gunpla in the comment below.